Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna, and this is your one-stop guide for international dentists navigating the US dental licensing process. Today we're covering two crucial first steps: registering for your DENTPIN and completing your credential evaluations. These steps set the foundation for your entire advanced denting program journey, so let's get them right. If you're new here, grab my free cheat sheet from the description. It's your quick reference guide to the process. For those of you looking to dive deeper, check out my comprehensive advanced denting program guide packed with insider tips, prep materials, and exclusive resources. All right, let's simplify this journey together. Remember, it's like I always say, confidence is contagious, and you've got this. Let's dive in. Let's start with your DENTPIN. The DENTPIN Dental Personal Identifier Number is a unique ID assigned by the American Dental Association. It's essential because it links everything in your application process, including the exams you'll need it for INBD and TOEFL registrations, credential evaluations. It connects your evaluation reports to your profile, PAPID applications. This ID keeps everything organized across platforms. Think of it as your personal key to unlock the ASP process, Advanced Denting Program process. So how to register for your DENTPIN? Registering is super simple and takes just a few minutes. Go to ADA website, right here, complete the registration form, fill in your name, date of birth, and email address, submit and save. Your DENTPIN will be emailed to you. Save it in multiple secure places like a password manager or cloud storage, and use the same email address throughout the process to avoid confusion. Consistency here is key. Now let's talk about credential evaluations. A credential evaluation verifies your foreign dental degree and translates it into US standards. It is required for schools, admissions committees needed to assess your qualifications, INBD registration. Without it, you can't register for the exam, and PAPID applications. Schools require evaluations as part of your application package. Which service you need to choose? ECE versus WES. There are two main agencies to choose from. ECE, or Educational Credential Services, it's best for most advanced denting programs and INBD registration. You need a course-by-course evaluation. Processing time is usually 4 to 6 weeks with expedited options available. WES, World Education Services, is best for schools like Loma Linda that specifically require WES. Some other schools may require WES as well. You need to check with each school by yourself. Course-by-course evaluation similar to ECE, and processing time is pretty comparable to ECE. Always check each school's requirements before selecting an agency. Using the wrong one could delay your application or make you pay a lot more out of your pocket. So how to prepare and submit your documents for evaluation? So you would need official transcripts. It means that your documents from the school must be in a sealed envelope from your dental school. A sealed envelope means it's signed or stamped by the school and unopened by you. Then you need degree certificates. You need to provide copies of your dental degree. If they're not in English, certified translations are also required. And then you need to submit them to the agency. For ECE, follow their mailing instructions and send one copy to the GCNDE. WES, use their portal to upload additional documents if required. You need to start early. Evaluations can take 4 to 6 weeks or more during busy periods. Now let's answer some of the most common questions and address the mistakes. Can I open a sealed envelope from my dental school? No, once opened, it's no longer valid. What if my school is unresponsive? Follow up persistently. In some cases, notarized copies or third-party verifications may be acceptable. What happens if I choose the wrong agency? You'll need to redo the evaluation with the correct agency, which can cause, again, delays and waste of money, or just paying out of pocket a little bit more. Avoid these mistakes by reading each school's requirements carefully and double-check submission guidelines. Here's how to fit these steps into your timeline. Complete the DENTPIN 12 to 15 months before PAPID opens. Credential evaluations start by May or June to have results ready by August or September. Begin preparation for INBD early so you are ready to take the exam by fall, and aim to finish your TOEFL exam by October and November. Submit early your CAPIT application, as early as in March when it opens. Staying ahead of deadlines makes all the difference, trust me. So let's recap. Register for your DENTPIN as your first step, complete your credential evaluations early to avoid delays, and stay organized and follow each school's requirement carefully. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and yours starts right here. Confidence is contagious, and you've got this. Don't forget to download the free cheat sheet for an overview of the process, or check out my comprehensive guide for deeper insights. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped, like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.